So this is Data Trader Pro doing a daily, nightly market wrap for January the 5th. Yeah, it was very much a neutral range day today, as shown by our indicator at 10:15 Eastern Standard Time. The day, as you can see by these two charts, played out exactly like that. A lot of chop up and down. Relatively wide range, about 17 SPX points, but every time it got to the top of range, which was still under the overnight high on ES futures, we went down, and every time we went down to around 2000 level or a little lower on ES, we bounced back up. So very much a range day, a placeholder day, nothing much to report in the markets. Aside from that, breadth was went from slightly bearish to slightly bullish. You can see the ranges, the low to high, fairly neutral in all the ranges though. NASDAQ volume started out quite bearish, ended neutral, I would say. The trends are in the neutral to certainly Russell's starting to get into the border of being bearish here, but we'll have to keep an eye out. Mostly I would say neutral. The only real exception to this neutral theme of the day was volatility. The VIX and other volatility indexes, related indexes, all ended the day well, bearish for volatility, bullish for SPX. So that the last couple of days of elevated volatility has really dropped off a lot today, much more so on a relative basis or a percent basis than is normal with a flat day. So that could be an inkling of some bullishness to come, an up move brewing, but still this VXV is bullish for volatility, for midterm volatility. So there's still some concern in the market, as seen in VXV. Options pricing in SPX on the out of the money out months is pricing in a potential bigger down move to come, but it looks like in the immediate picture, which is VXST, which is the 9-day version of the VIX, and the 30-day implied volatility VIX, really aren't seeing it right now. So in terms of that theme of a potential beginning of a bullish move, we can look at the block trades and see that although there was buying down here as we predicted yesterday, and there may have been more buying here. This isn't the type of move where you see distribution in a flat to neutral range. It doesn't really happen often. So this could be some buying for a move back up to this level, which is roughly 204 on SPY. We see the same thing on the Qs, and we see the same thing on IWM. So the buying may have begun here and continued here, and we'll have to see. Certainly above 112.60 to 80 on IWM starts getting more bullish. Certainly have to break through there, and we've got to run back up. But it's in its early stages, and we didn't really get any advantage either way. I think that wraps it up. It was a pretty flat day, so not too much to report today. Thanks for joining. This is Data Trader Pro signing out for January 5th. Thanks so much.